So this is a typing hammer. You need this to do sheet metal work. This is something I made. I'm going to make a second one. I've got one at work and I want to have one for home. Basically, I just ordered the plastic and the metal off eBay, and I think I got the handle off of Amazon. Don't really see any hammer handles here at any of the hardware stores that I go to anymore, so maybe it's a liability, but you can still buy them online. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it. Thank you. Okay, so next is the heads of the hammer. I'm going to cut this thing half and then turn down the part that goes into the aluminum and put the taper edges on it. Okay, so what I want to do is trim this down. I have to make a little indent that goes into the aluminum here. So I'm going to turn this down on the lathe so this slides in there, not too tight, not too loose, and then lock it down. I have to thread the aluminum with a lock screw or lock bolt. But anyway, I got to spin the two ends on this thing. You'll see me do it right now. So it's about 1 inch in there, almost a little bit under. And so I have a little bit more to go, 0.75. All right, there it is. That's one side. Okay, so here we have the two halves after about an hour of doing this on this little mini lathe. So these go in. So next I'll flip the jaws around, and so they'll grab onto these small bits, and we'll do a small taper here and a cone on the other side. Okay, so this is something I haven't done before. I'm gonna try to cut a cone. So I rotated this thing at some angle and try to taper cut this thing. I haven't done this before. My other lathe doesn't do this. So anyway, check it out. Maybe a little shorter. Okay, I just needed a couple washers. I didn't want to crack the plastic or anything, but this is pretty snug. These don't come apart now. Time for the handle. There she is. Okay, so that's how you make this thing. This is a great hammer for forming metal against your sandbag, shrinking stump, or the tire shrinking stump. This is what you can buy like at Eastwood. I think it came from Harbor Freight. This is a child's toy. I mean, I guess it could have its place if you had some really soft aluminum and you're not trying to beat it up too bad. But if you're trying to work with steel, 18, 16 gauge, 20 gauge, I like 20, this will do the job 100%. Thanks for watching.